The new iPhone 16, just released, packs serious power with its A18 Bionic chip. But does it really take the leap you're looking for? Let's find out if this upgrade is worth your money. Today, we're diving into the Apple iPhone 16, a device that's been making waves for its performance but also raising questions. Is this just a step forward or a giant leap for iPhone lovers? The iPhone 16 stays true to Apple's sleek design language but with subtle improvements. It measures 147.6 millimeters tall, weighs only 170 g, and feels solid with its glass front and back, supported by an aluminum frame. The device is IP68 rated, meaning it's dust-proof and water-resistant for up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. Whether you're taking it to the beach or the pool, it's built to handle your adventures. It's also available in 5 colors: black, white, pink, teal, and ultramarine, so there's something for every style. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen is a visual treat, producing vibrant colors and sharp details. With 1000 nits of typical brightness and up to 2000 nits in high brightness mode, outdoor visibility is a non-issue. However, the screen is still capped at 60 Hz, which might leave some power users wanting more, especially when competitors like Samsung offer 120 Hz for smoother scrolling. The iPhone 16 is powered by the A18 Bionic chip, which Apple claims is 30% faster than the A16 chip. In real-world usage, apps open instantly, multitasking is smooth, and gaming is top-notch. Whether you're editing 4K videos or playing graphic-heavy games, this phone handles it without breaking a sweat. Plus, it runs cooler thanks to a new aluminum thermal system. However, in terms of graphical performance, it still lags behind the Galaxy S24, but for everyday use in gaming, it holds its ground well. Apple has once again focused heavily on improving the camera. The dual camera system features a 48MP wide lens and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, offering stunning clarity and color accuracy. New features like the pressure-sensitive camera control button take some time to get used to but make shooting photos feel more intuitive, almost like using a professional camera. You can now shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second, and video recording looks stunning with Dolby Vision support. Selfie lovers will appreciate the 12MP front camera with 3D spatial audio capture, making your video chats more immersive. The battery is a 3561 mAh unit, which might not sound impressive on paper, but the A18 chip's efficiency makes a noticeable difference. It charges fast to 50% in 30 minutes with wired charging and 25W wireless charging via MagSafe. In real-world usage, it easily lasts a day with heavy use, from streaming and gaming to casual browsing and calling. On the connectivity side, it's future-proofed with 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3. It also features satellite emergency messaging and tracking, making it a lifesaver in remote areas without cell service. Starting at $829.99, the iPhone 16 offers a mix of strong performance and classic Apple design. But is it revolutionary? Not quite. It's more of a refined upgrade, rather than a groundbreaking shift. If you're upgrading from an iPhone 14 or 15, you'll notice improvements in speed and camera features. However, if you were hoping for a dramatic transformation, this isn't the leap. The iPhone 16 is a solid performer with some welcome improvements. But should you upgrade? It depends on your needs. If you want better performance and love Apple's ecosystem, it's a great buy. For those looking for the latest and greatest tech, you might want to weigh your options. Let us know in the comments if you think the iPhone 16 is worth it. Thanks for watching.